Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is Diksha Patil here and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in this video I am going to talk about brand collaborations and what are the types of brand collaborations and how you can get them. So let's begin with the video. What is brand collaboration? So, brand collaboration happens when a brand expects a user that can be an influencer or content creator to produce some form of content for them in return of some favors. The favor can be receiving the product or getting paid for it. So, that's what brand collaboration is. In return of the services or products, it usually happens between the influencers and the brand. Types of brand collaboration. So basically, majorly, there are three types of collaborations and there are further more into it, but I'll start with the basic three. First is barter collaboration. So barter collaboration is type of deal in which the brand gives product or services to the person, that can be an influencer or content creator, and in return the influencer or content creator generates content and give it to the brand for promotional purposes. So that is barter collaboration. It occurs with exchange of any commodity other than money. Second is paid collaboration. So paid collaboration is the form of monetary. So paid collaboration is a monetary collaboration in which the brand offers some sort of amount or money to the influencer or content creator in return of some content from their side. And they are getting paid in this one. And along with that, some brands give products plus the payment. And some brands only give the payment. The product can be purchased or can be bought by the influencer itself. So that's how it works. Third is the affiliate collaboration. In affiliate collaboration, the brand provides a unique URL to the influencer or content creator which they promote or share it via their content, and the sales which is made from that specific link generates revenue, and out of that revenue some sort of the revenue is given to the influencer as their affiliate payment. So that's how affiliate collaboration works. Another one is discount code. This is similar to the affiliate collaboration, but in this one the brand shares a personalized code to the influencer and the influencer shares and promotes that code via their content, and the people who purchases via that code, it justifies that it has been bought by the promotional content of that specific influencer. So the brand offers money every time that specific coupon code or the product code or the promo code, whatever we call that, is used by any user. Next is brand ambassadors. In brand ambassadors, the influencer works for a longer period of time with the brand and they get access to exclusive things happening within the brand, and apart from that they get some perks and they also receive some extra pay and bonuses in the brand ambassador programs. How to get collaborations? I'll sum it up in 5 points how a content creator or an influencer or a newbie or a beginner who has just started their content creation journey, how they can get like the collaborations, any sort of collaborations. So point number 1 is build your own personal brand. Yes, that's right. You should work on building your own personal brand and focus on that so that brands can recognize you as a brand itself. That would be a personal brand which they can make most out of it while asking you for content or doing collaborations with you. So building a personal brand is the most important factor. Second is engagement. The engagement metric of the influencer is very crucial. The brand use it to analyze how the influencer interact with their audience and how engaging they are with their community. So having a good engagement with your audience, or the people or the followers who are following you or are connected with you, how close and how genuine they feel with you. So building that personal connect with them is crucial, and that can be done via organic engagement. Third is pitching brands. So pitching brands is easy and anyone can do it. If you like a brand and wish that I want to work with this brand, don't worry, just hit them up with a DM, message them, mail them, connect with them that I am influencer, I am in this category, I work in this category, I make content like this, and you can draft a message for them and can share it with the brand and can tell them what the benefits they can get, what kind of content you can use, what kind of creativity you can showcase them. You can definitely share that with the brands, and 90% of the brands will revert back to you with a response. And believe me, it happens. I have tried it myself. Just don't hesitate to do that first message. Fourth, join influencer platforms. Nowadays, there are variety of influencer marketing applications, websites and platforms which you can enroll yourself on and can connect your Instagram, YouTube or whatever social media platform you are using to generate content, and then they will approach you or you will get notified when a brand deal comes in. Then you can definitely work with your dream brand or whatever brand you are seeking, and that would be helpful for you to get collaborations easily, and you don't have to run behind finding brands with whom I can work and with whom I cannot. There are many applications and many brands. You can check that out, and if you want me to make a video on the same, let me know in the comment section. I would love to make a video on the same. Fifth, be authentic. The most important factor is to be as real and as authentic as you can, because brands love that you have a loyal audience, and promoting their products via you would be fruitful to them because the audience and the followers that you have believes in you and trust you. So don't ever disrespect your community, and try to be as genuine, as reasonable and as real you can to your community. They are the people who are supporting you, and they are the people who are helping you, and because of them you are here in your journey. So always acknowledge and be grateful for them. I think that's it from my side, and we are done with the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.